BJP had put special category status in their manifesto as a promise to the people of Odisha. However, this promise has not been considered for Odisha, whereas special packages allocating crores of funds have been announced for Andhra Pradesh and Bihar. Along with this, the demand of Odisha for revision of coal royalty, which has been pending for years with the central government, has been rejected, because of which the state will lose thousands of crores of revenue every year. Lots of big promises in different sectors were made to the people of Odisha during the election campaign, especially on agriculture, MSME, and industry. There is no mention of any promise being fulfilled in this budget. This is a complete neglect of Odisha and her people. We all know that Odisha faces a number of natural disasters every year, including floods. We had requested for a special package for disaster management. While similar requests of other states have been considered and they have been granted